I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again, I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming, cause I feel the sun.
A little pit stop because we forgot to count the right number of tickets, so my dad went back with someone else to go get the right number of tickets. But now we're on our way to our first stop at the Unity, like this like little island. Let's get a ticket to like gain access to, but we're going to the pet part of it. Like it's pet. Does that make sense? I don't know, but I don't know what it is. And we're about to find out, so yeah. Now the real story begins. My face is boiling. Hi. Guys, I spotted a Starbucks. how big it is. In person it is a lot bigger. It's actually all in glory. Crazy how looking up, we realised that where we went was those hands, so that's where I took the videos from. And that was the viewing part, so we didn't go any higher than that. But yeah, it was pretty cool because we got to see this view. It was gorgeous. Actually such a gorgeous view, and I'm loving it up here, but it is so sunny. I am sweating so much. It's really hot up here. But this is what we get to see. This gorgeous statue is actually bigger than the Statue of Liberty. I think like 2.5 sizes bigger. We're tired, so we're done. I'm just done. I'm gonna crash out when we sleep, when we go back, because it's a 3-hour journey, so I'm gonna crash and just sleep. Today was hectic. It was hectic. It was too hot. Bye. Bye, please.